Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Looking to keep your Notion pages tidy and optimized, especially when it comes to counting characters for SEO or YouTube titles? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through adding a character count formula to your Notion database, so you'll know exactly how many characters you've got in any entry. By the end, you'll have a simple system in place, perfect for anyone managing SEO, social posts, or YouTube content right inside Notion. Let's jump right in. First, take a look at your Notion database. For this example, I've got one set up with a text property where I jot down my video titles or article headings. If you're using Notion to manage anything where the number of characters matters, whether it's for catchy YouTube titles or meeting SEO best practices, this trick is a must-have. Now, to count the characters in each text entry, we're going to add a new property, specifically a formula property. Go ahead and click that little plus sign at the top right of your database to add a new column. When you're prompted, select Formula as the property type. Give it a practical name, like character count or just chars, something easy to spot when you're scrolling through your database. Here's why we're using a formula property. Notion formulas act like helpful little calculators built right into your tables. Instead of manually counting each character, which would take ages and probably drive you a bit mad, the formula does all the heavy lifting for you, instantly updating as you edit the text. Now for the heart of the tutorial, the formula itself. Click into that new formula property you've just created. This will open up the formula editor. The exact formula you'll want will depend on what your text property is called. If you named it title, for example, you'd use the formula length prop title. Essentially, this tells Notion to count every single character in the text of your title property, spaces and punctuation included. You'll find the exact formula pasted down in the video description so you can copy and tweak it for your own database. Once you paste in the formula and hit Done, you'll see the character counts instantly pop up alongside each entry in your database. If you tweak your title, try shortening it or making it punchier. The count updates automatically so you'll never go over your SEO or YouTube character limits again. For example, if you're optimizing YouTube titles, which, by the way, have a recommended max of 100 characters, keeping an eye on that count can be the difference between your full title showing up or getting annoyingly cut off. Don't worry if you have entries with no text yet. The formula will just return 0 or even stay blank until there's something to count, so your table won't look messy. And if you ever rename your original text property, just update the formula so it matches. Notion won't mind, but otherwise your counts might subtly break. That's it. Just a few simple steps to set up a super useful character counter right in Notion. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like to see covered in a future Notion tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more practical guides like this. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning!